So first we have to write the question, then we will start the answer writing. If one side of a triangle, one side of a triangle is greater than if one side of a triangle is greater than another, the angle opposite of the angle opposite of greater side is greater than the angle opposite of a smaller side, greater than the angle opposite of smaller side. So this is the theorems number 2. So dear students, please note down this question. If one side of a triangle is greater than another, the angle opposite of greater side is greater than the angle opposite of smaller side. So first of all, we have to understand the statement of theorems. Then we will start answer writing. This is the fundamental theorems of fundamental theorems of triangle. So now, first few minutes we will discuss here about the theorems information. Suppose if we draw any kind of triangle here, if this is like if this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 30 degree. So if we mention here A, B, C, B, any triangle, here this is called opposite side of angle B. AC is called opposite side of angle B, and BC is called opposite side of angle A, and AB is called opposite side of angle C. So when the angle is greater, its opposite side will be greater. So here greater angle is B. There is mentioned here 90 degrees. So its opposite side will be greater. Clear? Here the smaller angle is 30 degree. C angle is equals to 30 degree. So its opposite side will be smaller than any other side. That means the theorems give us the information. The greater angle or opposite side will be greater. At smaller angle, opposite side will be smaller. So now we will prove these theorems. So these theorems give if the one side of a triangle is greater, then the angle of the greater side must be greater. That means greater angle opposite side or greater side opposite angle will be greater than the angle of smaller side. Okay, first draw the figure here. First step, we will draw the figure. There is, okay, draw a proper figure here. Okay. Mention the triangle name is A, this is B, and this is C. So now write the particular enunciation. Particular enunciation. That means describe these theorems according to the figure. Let ABC be any triangle. Let ABC be any triangle. Let ABC be any triangle. Here the greater angle Here AC is greater than the comparing with the two sides. Here the AC is greater than, suppose this angle is greater, that means its opposite side is greater than AB. It is required to prove that it is required to prove that, so the greater side is AC, so its opposite angle is ABC, which is greater than AB. AB is the smaller side, so its opposite angle is ACB. This is our requirement. So please complete up to this particular enunciation. So now, again, yes. So just cut here AB. From this construction, cut from AC. AC is equals to, from AC cut AD. That means AD is equals to AB. And then joint B with D. So joint now B with D. Just let me draw the figure, then I will zoom it. And joint B to D. Okay. So write the here construction. Construction from AC cut AD is equals to AB. So now then joint, then joint B comma D. So do you have any question up to this, my dear students?
No,
Please let me know.
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now we will start proof. So please complete up to this. So now we can write the proof here. So what is the name of the triangle ABD? Anyone? What is the name of the triangle ABD?
Isolated triangle.
Is it isosceles triangle? Why you think it's isosceles triangle? Loudly, Baba, please speak loudly. ABD triangle. What is the name of the triangle ABD?
Isosceles triangle, because here two sides are equal.
Yes, here two sides are equal. Is there any angles are equal in between them? When the two sides are equal, is there any relation between angle? There will be also two angles same. In isosceles triangle, there are also two angles also same. So now here in triangle A, B, D, the two sides AB is equals to AD. So when the two sides are the same, then their opposite angle ADB angle opposite of AB is equals to opposite of D, A, B and D angle. So their opposite angle must be same. So if I show you in the color, this is the red color angle. Because the two sides are the same, that's why two angle must be same. So I think you have no questions up to this. Now, just you can write here, this is the step 1. I think if we follow the step, it will maybe easier for us. This is the step 1. If possible, write here step 1. So now step 2. Step 2. In triangle ABD, BDC. So sorry, in triangle BDC. So do you know about external angle, my dear students? Okay, if we draw a triangle here like this is called the external angle. External angle, if this angle is 100, this triangle is 120 degree, this one will be 60 degree, and this one will be 60 degree. So external angle always greater than, external angle is of sum of the two opposite internal angle. So if we draw any kind of, give attention here, if we draw any kind of triangle, like this is any kind of triangle. So if we now produce any line, there will be create external angle. This is called external angle. External angle is equals to sum of two opposite internal angles. Suppose this angle is 50 degree. This angle is 80 degrees. So this external angle will be 50 plus 80, there is 130. 130. So if we produce this line, suppose if we produce this side, so there will create the external angle. External angle is the equal of sum of two opposite internal angle. So now if we see here, so if we write here 130 is greater than 80, or 50 degree angle is greater than 180 is also greater than 130 is also greater than 50 degree. From the figure, is it possible external angle is greater than one internal angle? This external angle is greater than each opposite internal angle. So by using this condition, now we can write here, by using this condition, we can write here ABD here, ADB, this is the external angle. I think if we color here, this external angle is greater than, this is the greatest symbol, greater than BCD. So here, this is the BCD, this angle. So this external angle is greater than this one, because this external angle is the sum of two opposite internal angle. So that means external angle is definitely greater than opposite external internal angle. So now write here BCD. In terms of BCD, we can write here BCA, because BCD and BCA are the same. So their ADB remains same. BCD and BCA are same. Or now there is ADB. ADB is greater than BCA. So now step 3. Next step 3. ABD is the part of angle A, angle ADB. Okay. Again, I think if we write here another line, it will be easier for us. Okay, আমরা এখানে third stepটাকে একটু দেখাবো। দেখো ADB equals to what? In the first step, what is the value of ADB? Yes. Now, in the ADB, this angle is equals to this angle. ABD. ADB is equals to ABD. This one written in the step 1. So now there is a BCA. So now we can start the step 3. Step 3. So now here, just give attention in the figure. We can set here again figure. It may be easier for us. Yes. So now, if I called you, which angle is greater? Is red color angle is greater or white color angle is greater? Which one is greater here?
Sir, red color.
Red color.
Why red color angle is greater?
Because red color is 80-degree angle.
In the figure, the angle is not mentioned here. White color angle, that means ABD is the part of ABC. Here the white color angle is one part of red color angle. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, that's why we can write here AB. Okay, so now mention here ABD angle is a part of angle ABC. So ABD angle is smaller than ABC angle. ABC angle. So now comparing step 2 and step 3, we can write. So we can write, finally we can write ABC angle. This is the greater angle. ABC angle is greater than angle ACB. ACB or BC. I think if we write here BCA. Yes, BCA. So this is our root. I will discuss again step by step. So my dear students, please write. First, you can complete your writing step by step. So I think there is a full question you can see at a time. তোমাদের বইতে কাজটি ছোট বাট ইটস ডিফিকাল্ট আমরা একটু ভেঙে ভেঙে কাজটি করছি দ্যাটস হোয়াই ইটস লুক লেন্দি বাট ইনশাআল্লাহ I will try to discuss again so it may be easier than to you. Did you please give me update, did you complete the writing?
My
Yes,
writing
sir.
is finished.
Okay, thank you. Ittihadul Alam, did you understand these theorems, Alam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now, okay, dear students, give attention. Step by step, inshallah, we will discuss again here. The first step, we have to understand the theorems. Actually, what information is given here and what is our requirement. This information is given here, the comparing with the two sides, AC is greater than AB. That means we have to prove opposite of AC, the angle ABC, and opposite of AB, this angle ACB. So when the side is greater, its opposite angle will be greater. When the side is smaller, its opposite angle will be smaller. First step we have shown here, there are total two angles. These two angles are the same because this is an isosceles triangle. That two sides are same, that means two angles are same. In the second step, we have shown here this angle is greater than this angle. This angle is greater than this angle because this is the external angle, always greater than this angle. That means they are same. That's why we can say this angle is greater than this one. Second step done. In the third step, we have shown here in the step 3, this is this angle, white color angle, is the part of this red color angle. That means this one is smaller than red angle. So now comparing final step of second step, final part of second step, and this one, we can take the decision. This angle is greater than this angle. That means angle B is greater than angle C inside the triangle ABC. Did you understand this one, my dear student?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Can we start the next theorems?
Yes, sir.
We have 60 minutes remaining. Inshallah, we can complete. very easy theorems, theorems number 3. So dear students, page number 148. Try to write the first. We have remaining 16 minutes around. It's very easy theorems. Theorem, this is called the short form of theorems, TH whole to the power M. Theorems number 3,
Hello.
page 148. So
Hello?
now first write the questions. Without statement you cannot understand properly. If one angle, if so I'm getting the sound, dear students. Okay. If one angle of any triangle, if one angle of any triangle is greater than just opposite of theorems number 2. Here we have shown the angle, here we will show the side. If one angle of any triangle is greater than another, so few students have raised hand, please host. Greater than another, then the side opposite the greater angle, then the side opposite of greater angle, then the side I'm getting the sound. Hello. Then the side opposite of greater angle Islam sir. Okay, the opposite of greater angle is greater the opposite of greater angle is greater than the opposite greater than the side opposite of the smaller angle. Actually statements looks a little bit difficult, but if we explain it on will be very easier to you. আমরা যদি শর্ট ফর্মে বলি, খেয়াল করো, আমরা আগেরবার দেখিয়েছিলাম এখানে when angle is greater, that means opposite, when the side is greater, opposite angle will be greater. So here we will prove just opposite one. Angle greater here given, just you have to prove opposite side of greater angle will be greater. That means angle যখন বড় হবে তার opposite side বড় হবে। আমরা এখানে side prove করব। The greater angle opposite side is greater than smaller opposite side of smaller angle. So now please, I couldn't write this step number 2 of theorems. Okay, I will show again, Baba, just after here. Okay, now draw the figure. This is mentioned here. A, B, C is a triangle. So write here particular enunciation. Particular enunciation. So let ABC be any triangle. Let ABC be any triangle. So according to question here, B angle is greater. B angle is greater than angle C. So here ABC angle is greater than ACB angle. It is required to prove that it is required to prove that what is our requirement? This opposite of greater angle, this is the AC, and opposite of smaller angle is AB. That means AC is greater than AB. So now there is no construction, just we will prove this one. Sorry, we can copy this figure again. Okay. Did you complete up to this, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we can start the theorems writing, proof writing. Okay. So step by step, our requirement is we have to show here AC is greater than AB. We will prove this contradictory. What is the meaning of contradictory? First we will consider equal. Then we will consider AC is smaller. If we are failed to prove AC is equal or AC is smaller, then we will say here AC will be greater. আর যদি একটু ইজি করি বলি, দেখো বাবা, এখানে আমাদের কন্ডিশন হচ্ছে প্রুভ দ্যাট এসি ইজ গ্রেটার। তাহলে আমরা শুরুতেই ট্রাই করব যে এসি যদি ইকুয়াল হয় আমরা ইকুয়াল প্রুভ করতে পারি কিনা, অথবা এসিটাকে আমরা স্মলার প্রুভ করার জন্য ট্রাই করব। যদি ইকুয়াল অথবা স্মলার না হয়, দেন উই ক্যান সে এসি উইল বি গ্রেটার দ্যান এবি। সো দিস ইজ কল্ড দ্য কন্ট্রাডিক্টরি প্রুফ। জাস্ট স্টার্টিং উইথ দ্য অপোজিট। The requirement is AC greater, so now we can start. Okay, first consider step one. Let us consider considering AB is equals to AC. Then if AB equals to AC, which two angle will be same? Anyone?
Isolated triangle.
Yes, it will be isosceles when they are same, and there are two angles. The two angles will be same. That means A, B, C angle is equals to angle AC, ACB angle. ACB angle. Is it possible? In our theorems, we say here B angle is greater than C angle, but we are writing here B angle equal to C angle. This is not true. In the particular enunciation, we said here B angle is greater than C angle, but when we consider here they are equal, B angle is equals to C angle. This is not true according to hypothesis. Hypothesis means this information which is given. So this is not true. This is not true according to given hypothesis. That means according to given informations. This is not true according to given hypothesis. So in the same way, now we can start the step 2. Step 2. Now that means they cannot be equal. Now start. Consider here AC is smaller than. Now again consider AC is smaller than. Now start considering AC is smaller than AB. So when AC is smaller than, that means opposite of angle AC will be smaller than. When AC is smaller, then opposite of AC angle. That means ABC angle is smaller than opposite of AB. That means opposite of AB is ACB, which is not also true. Which is not also true according to given or according to hypothesis or according to given this word is hypothesis. So according to hypothesis, this is also not true. This is not also true according to given hypothesis. Which hypothesis is given here? Hypothesis, according to given hypothesis, ABC, this because ABC is greater than ACB. But here ABC is smaller than, this is not true. That means we have tried considering equal, we are failure. And then we have tried considering AC is smaller, and this is not also true. That means we cannot prove AB, we cannot prove here AC is smaller or AC is equals to with AB. That means AC যখন smaller হবে না বা equal হবে না তখন এটি অবশ্যই বড় হতে হবে. So AC will be that means, so finally we can say we can say AC not equals to AB, and AC not smaller than AB. So AC is greater than AB, and this is our proof. So this is the opposite of theorems number 2. So dear students, if you have answer, please show the step 1 again. Okay, Baba, I will show again. There are also 3 minutes remaining. So please now first do complete up to this. There you can see here step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. So if you have any question, please raise your hand. Sorry.
স্যার আপনি যদি একটু সিম্পল ইকুয়েশনটা দেখাতেন ভালো হতো।
Simple equation, that means step 2 or 3 or chapter 5.
Yes sir.
মানে সিম্পল ইকুয়েশনটা কিসের বাবা বলবা?
স্যার এই যে স্যার আপনার স্যার থিওরেম 3 এর
থিওরেম 3 এর যদি স্টেপ গুলো কি আমি আবার এক্সপ্লেইন করব?
নো স্যার এই স্যার মানে প্রুফের উপরের স্যার পার্টটা।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, জাস্ট ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু see the step 1. Yes baba, okay, thank you. Is it okay now?
Yes sir.
Okay, please do complete, also you can take this snapshot. I will try to upload this content. I think if you miss any word or any letter, you can see again. So sir, please post the recorded class in the group because I came in the late. I will try to upload this content in YouTube, so I will try to share link in your Facebook group, so inshallah you can see again, no problem. If you miss any word or any step, so you can review yourself. So dear students, actually this is easier than theorems number 2. Here we have to prove this AC is greater than AB. First we consider here they are the same, but according to given information these two angles are not the same. That's why they cannot be equal. Now in the second step we started here considering AC is smaller than this one. When the AC will be smaller, definitely this angle will be smaller than this one. But according to information, B angle is not smaller than angle C. So that's why this information is also wrong. So we cannot take the decision considering equal or considering AC is smaller than considering AC is smaller than AB. So that's why finally we can say AC is greater than AB. So this is our answer. So my dear students, if you have any question, please let me know. Please. Thank you. Dear students, if you have any question, please. So inshallah, next class we will try to discuss. তোমাদের এখানে 9.1 এ তোমাদের কিছু কাজ বাকি আছে তাই না বাবা? 9.1 থেকে এক্সারসাইজ 9.1 থেকে তোমরা অনেকেই বলেছিলে যে তোমাদের এখানে নাম্বার 3 কমপ্লিট করা হলো। ইনশাআল্লাহ আমরা নেক্সট ক্লাসে যদি আমরা ইনশাআল্লাহ যদি থিওরেমস গুলো আমরা রিভাইজ করতে পারি দেন নেক্সট ক্লাস এক্সারসাইজ 9.1 থেকে আমরা তোমাদের 4-5 কাজগুলো করাবো। So do you have any more question?
No, sir.
No, sir. Sir,
So, dear
last,
student, yes.
sir, last class Sakib sir do 4 also and 9.1.
Okay, so I think you just almost you have completed the exercise 9.1. So dear students, there are also remaining 2 theorems, theorems number 3 and theorems number 4, also easier than theorems number 1 and 2. So dear students, thank you so much. Hope to see you all in the next classes and wish you all the best. And so please revise properly these 2 theorems. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Waalaikum salam.
Wa alaikum assalam.